Hello, I just wanted to do a follow-up to the first video where we looked at how ones and zeros are turned into letters so that we can interact with our computers. So when you hit a B, an E, and N, that's my name, you get a series of ones and zeros. That's all the computer sees. That's all the computer actually knows. It just knows that these are, the number, the letters, and they know that this combination of ones and zeros is your password or your sign-in, and a spell check basically looks at combinations of ones and zeros, which it goes to a database and say, is this spelled correctly? Yes, these ones and zeros are correct. No, this is a combination of ones and zeros we don't recognize, but it's very similar to this one. Maybe they want this one. That's what it's doing here. But I want to point out something you may have noticed. So B is, this says it's a capital letter. The first nibble says it's a capital letter. The second nibble says that it is the second letter. This says it's a lowercase. This first nibble says it's a lowercase letter. The second nibble says it's the fifth letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth letter. It's the eighth, the fourth, the second, but not the first. 8 plus 4 is 12, plus second, it's the 14th letter, right? But you may have noticed something. So N is the 14th letter, right? O is the 15th letter. Where do we go from there? Where do we go from there? Well, you just add one. So P is the 16th letter. Yeah, I mean, you basically, not including 0, you only have 15 choices of letters there. And there's more than 15 letters in our alphabet, so they do go over. So what would happen is if my name was Bep, which it's not, if my name was Bep, you would go over and you add a 1 here. Or what if my name was Pep? Well, Pep would be, that would just simply be a 1, and it would be that. Pep, I guess this would be 2 above Pep, so it would be Pep, Peck, Rep, Quep, Rep. This would be if my name was Rep. Basically, you just go over there. So there's actually 2 different nibbles for capitals. There's 0, 1, 0, 0, and 0, 1, 0, 1. And then next up there is, for lowercase, 0, 1. See, it's literally the next number is 0, 1, 1, 0. And then continuing the alphabet, 0, 1, 1, 1. Now, you have 32 different choices. Now, wait a second. How can you have 32 different choices? There's not 32 letters. What do they do with all 32? Well, punctuation, your space bar, your delete key. In fact, if you take the fact you got 8 bits in a byte, that's 2 to the power of 8 different combinations. There is 256 combinations of ones and zeros in a byte. So, and we only use about 128 of them, but you got a lot of keys. And so you need things for delete, escape, your function keys. And this gives us a lot of options for all the other things that we need simply to write something or simply to use our keyboard. So if you're wondering, wait, there's only 16 different combinations in a nibble, well, that's why. So they're able to do this. I thought I'd let you know about that, just in case you were wondering how you can do 26 letters if you only have 16 combinations in a nibble. Well, now you know. Okay? Have a nice day. I'll see you later.